Today, I'm going to show you how to write and publish an article on LinkedIn. This is a fantastic way to share your expertise, build your professional brand, and reach a wider audience within your network and beyond. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct email and password associated with your LinkedIn profile to access all the features available to you. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your LinkedIn homepage. Look around the interface and you'll notice an option labeled Write Article. This feature is specifically designed for creating longer form content that goes beyond regular posts. Click on Write Article to get started with your content creation. Now you'll be taken to LinkedIn's article editor. The first thing you'll see is an option to add a cover image. This visual element is crucial as it's the first thing readers will notice about your article. Click on Upload from Computer and select an image that represents your content well. Choose something eye-catching and relevant to grab attention as people scroll through their feeds. With your cover image in place, it's time to focus on the title. Click in the title field and input a compelling headline for your article. Your title should be clear, engaging, and give readers a good idea of what they'll learn or gain from reading your piece. A strong title can make all the difference in whether someone decides to click and read your work. Next, move down to the main text area and start inputting your article content. This is where you'll share your insights, stories, or expertise. Write naturally and focus on providing value to your readers. LinkedIn's editor gives you plenty of space to develop your ideas fully, so take advantage of it. As you write, you'll want to format your text to make it more readable and visually appealing. LinkedIn's editor offers several formatting options. You can adjust the text style by selecting whether you want it to appear as normal text, heading, or subheading. Using headings helps break up your content into digestible sections. You also have the ability to make your text bold or italic for emphasis. Additionally, you can add bullet lists or numbered lists to organize information clearly. If you want to highlight a particular quote or statement, use the quote formatting option. You can also add curly brackets for special notation, insert dividers to separate sections visually, add links to reference external sources, embed content, or include additional images throughout your article to support your points. Once you've finished writing and formatting your article to your satisfaction, look for the next button at the top of the editor and click it. This will take you to the final step where you can review your article one last time before making it public. When you're ready, click Publish. Your article will now be live on LinkedIn, visible to your network, and potentially to a much broader audience depending on your settings and engagement. And that's it. You've successfully created and published an article on LinkedIn, establishing yourself as a thought leader in your field. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.